Hello viewers, thank you for watching the other videos. This is the fourth video to show you the evidence of what I've spoken about in the other videos. I'm not making this story up. I'm still showing you the evidence in paper. This evidence, some of them are so invisible that you cannot read what you're supposed to read as a contract. Some of the columns are different from each other. Only one that says Said Solicitors printed on it because it's fax one. Others are different. So the page 1 is the contract I signed with Scottish Power. If you look at this is for electricity. It's for 1 year contract. It's a 1 year contract with Scottish Power. If you look at it, this is the front page of it. It shows you what you are signing for. This is the back of it. It shows you what to pay and how to pay. So it is a proper contract. You will say signed by a restaurant owner for supply of electricity and gas. This is the second one. This is for gas for 1 year. It's a 1 year contract. It's not 2 years. And then this is the back of it that shows you what to pay and how much to pay for 1 year. So this is what I will call a proper contract. This is the payment I made. It's a direct debit mandate made and paid by me with Lloyd TSB. If you look at the circle part of it, this is payment for gas and electricity for 1 month. Then I received a letter that I'm leaving them, and I told them I didn't, because I didn't sign any contract with anybody. This is the first contract said to be signed by Ion, and it was faxed to Said Solicitor. So if you look at the top of this contract, it will say Said Solicitor because it's a fax copy. So if you look at it very well, this is the contract. I will show you the signature. If you look at the signature here, it's totally different from the next signature. And here it says owner, and then the name on here, the name on the signature part is different from the name on the top. The name on top is totally different from the name on bottom. I believe somebody signing a contract will know how to sign your name, how to write your name in 1 page of a document. If you look at this second one, this is send email to Adelgive Solicitor. Adelgive Solicitor in Middlesex. Look at the signature. You might not see it because it's not meant to be seen. If you see the contract here, it says proprietor. The other one says owner. This one says proprietor. If you look at the page, the date, it says 24th of November 2006 for 5 years. My contract for the restaurant is only 3 years contract. So I don't know how I can sign 5 years contract for electricity and 3 years contract for the main lease of the restaurant. This is another copy of so-called signed contract. So look at it. It's the same as the first one I showed you, but the columns are not. If you look at it properly, you will see the difference. I will show you the last page that marks every difference between all these contracts. Nobody signed 7 contracts for 1 supply for 5 years each. I don't know if you times 7 by 5, that's 35 years contract. They are so different, and it's submitted in court of law to be accepted as contract signed for 1 supply. So please, I'm showing you all this to tell you that I'm not making this story up. The evidence is there, it's on paper. Please, can you help me? I need a help to help me to get out of this mess. I need my life back. This is tying my life up. Can you help me, please? It hasn't finished. These are the contract I'm saying. because nobody signed 7 contracts for one supply. They are totally different, and as I said, I will show you the difference between them. This one has direct debit mandate. That's the only one that has direct debit mandate. Other ones doesn't have direct debit mandate, or few of them do, few of them don't. If you sign this one contract, it's supposed to show you exactly, even if you photocopy it million times, it will show you exactly what is written on one supposed to be exactly what is written on others. But for this contract, so-called some contract, is not, because nobody signed 7 contracts for one supply. Please, can you help me? I'm still pleading. There's somebody out there who can help me sort out this mess. I believe God that there's somebody out there to help me. This is the last contract. You can see it's in colored. It's sent to court in 2012. They've now changed from black and white to colored one. And as I said, there's so many differences in all of them. This asterisk one is the one that shows you the difference in all the contracts. Every asterisk is purported to be a difference between one contract to another. So if you count these are the 17 differences between each contract. Please, can you help me? This is the letter they sent in April. They said that if I don't give them direct debit mandate, the transfer from Scottish Power to Aeon will not be completed. So I did not give them direct debit mandate. So there's no complete transfer based on their information. But they've taken nearly 10,000 pounds from me. Please, can you help me? I'm only asking you for help. There's somebody somewhere out there who can help me to sort out this problem. Thank you for watching.